Ding, ding, ding. Hi, everyone. Time for round two as Mother Nature delivers the second blow, possibly the uppercut for some locations in the River Valley. Serious situation with a major icing event ongoing and taking place in Sebastian County, in Crawford County, also in sections of Lafleur County. Let's get right to it and show you what's happening. The Weather Service out of Tulsa just knocking the ice storm warning out of the park. They did a great job with the location of this. The most significant icing has been in Lafleur County, Oklahoma, Sebastian County, southern Franklin County, as well as Scott County. Here's the way it looks in northwest Arkansas. It's a winter storm warning that goes until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. This is obviously very white, a winter wonderland. This is looking at the square from downtown Fayetteville. Temperatures are cold. At the Chancellor Hotel, we're looking at 19 degrees, a north-northeast wind at 5 miles an hour, but you factor in the wind elsewhere. It's in the upper teens in Highfill, but a blustery northwest wind in sections of western Benton County on this early Friday morning. It's a little after 2 o'clock, and look at these wind chills. 3 degrees in Highfill. It almost feels like 0, 6 in Bentonville. So, unfortunately, those power crews in the River Valley are going to be having to undergo quite a bit of elements as they try to restore power to a lot of customers in Sebastian County and Oklahoma, in Lafleur County. So temperatures are in the lower 30s in the River Valley and upper 20s and higher elevations in southern Lafleur County near Tallahena, Octavia. Check out the winter precipitation type. It's all snow in northwest Arkansas. And look at that second area developing. This is a significant winter storm that just continues to impress me. Had a burst of heavy snow and sleet that came down about 7, 8 o'clock in the evening on Thursday evening, and that also produced some thunder snow at times. A lot of people in Rogers and Bentonville and even in Pea Ridge and Centerton heard some rumbles of thunder. Even caught one on video and posted it on my Facebook wall. So if you look at some of the earlier posts, you might be able to see that video and tell me what you think. It definitely sounds like thunder in the distance that was a little muffled. Lots of freezing rain reports coming out. We're going to pause it, though, and show you on the local storm reports. Here's some of the snow reports that have come out of Benton County. 6 inches in the Pea Ridge area, 5.5 on some of the accumulations. Here you'll see a nearly 6-inch total, and there it is at 10 o'clock, and the snow is starting to come down again. As we work our way down into the River Valley, you'll notice that we do have significant icing that's taken place. There's a 1/2 inch, but as we look at the very latest, that was earlier this afternoon. Now we'll show you that the icing is much more significant. 1.3 inches that has been reported in areas near Greenwood, and about 1 inch now located of freezing rain in Fort Smith. So serious situation. In fact, as we zoom in on the River Valley, power lines are coming down, trees are coming down, lots of damage being done. We zoom in on the area of concern, especially with Jeff Petrowski. He sent some pictures near Hidden Valley Way. Highway 71 a couple hours ago reported to be blocked northbound and southbound as feeder power lines came down. In fact, here's the picture courtesy of twisterchasers.com. You can see those power lines crossing 71, blocking traffic both ways. Nobody's getting through that. That's going to take a while to clean up. That's going to cause some major issues. Here's another picture of trees coming down. Shows power lines bringing down trees. This is on Highway 71. Look at the glaze on the roads as well. Very serious situation. Here's all the power outages. This is currently what, according to SWEPCO, and we'll notice as we mouse over, we're talking about nearly 5,000 customers, a little over 4,500, about 700 customers now located in Logan County, in Scott County, about 325 meters that are out, and in Polk County, a little bit south of Scott County, we're looking at nearly 1,400. How about OG&E? They also have multiple power outages. Lots of people starting to lose power. You have 160 in Cameron, 172 customers in Poto. This is, of course, a little after 2 o'clock, and these numbers might continue to climb by the time this gets posted. Nearly 6,000 without power in Fort Smith, 6,000 meters. You have Lavaca, about 700 meters, and Charleston over 1,000 meters without power. So quite a bit of customers that are affected with this major ice storm that is currently ongoing. Significant icing, power flashes all over the river valley, and snow is coming down in northwest Arkansas. In fact, look at the next wave that's moving in. You can see all that precipitation. It's on that northeasterly track, and it really isn't going to miss us. So we're looking at several additional accumulation possible amounts, and you'll see that here as we look at those southwest flow. This is just a typical icing event as we were watching it just last week Friday. Had a red flag, a caution flag on this one. Unfortunately, the bullseye has been in the river valley and central Arkansas. 6 to 8 inches plus of snow across northwest Arkansas, 1.5 inches of ice. That could even exceed that. So that's the very latest here from the Weather Center. We're continuing to monitor the situation.